Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So recently I was out shopping at Aldi supermarket here in the UK and I picked up this cordless 4-volt Ferrex nailer stapler. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing, testing and a review of this staple gun. Right, so here it is, the 4-volt lithium ion cordless stapler integrated battery from Ferrex. I bought this from Aldi supermarket here in the UK. Says on the box it's 4 volts battery system, 1500 milliamp hour battery. So I recently bought one of these very similar from Lidl supermarket, but this one looks like it's a bit beefier because it seems to fire larger staples. So we'll take a look at that later on. So let's see what you get in the box. This was super cheap. I'll put the price on the screen, what I paid for it now. So it comes with the manual, a box of brad nails and staplers, there's a USB-C cable for charging, and then the staple gun. Nice weight to it, quite chunky. Nice flat bottom on it, so it's quite easy to control when you're pushing it down onto something. First impressions, feels good. So for the staples that you get and the brads, you get some 14mm brads, 100 of those, and you get 14mm staples, 400 of those. So that's not bad. That will get you started. So these staples look quite big, which is a good sign. That means that this unit should be quite powerful for a cordless stapler. So USB-C cable is pretty standard for charging. Let's take a closer look at this staple gun. So it's got an on and off button here at the back, which flicks over like so. There's the USB-C hole for charging. It's a trigger here. It's got another trigger down here for safety that has to be compressed before the gun will fire. And then there's a light here at the front. And then at the bottom here you've got this part that slides out to add the staples. So let's add some staples now. Just drop them in upside down like so. And then this will lock back together nice and easy. Nice big useful staples in there. So I'm going to give this a charging up now and we'll test it out. There's not much more to say about it. It's got a rubberized grip. It's quite heavy and feels good. So I'm just charging it now. So that red light means that it's not charged yet, and when it's charged that light will turn green. So now onto the testing. I recently used the staple gun to attach this aluminium foil bubble wrap to a shed, and it was quite useful for that. The provided staples were nice and long and they gave a great hold into the wood behind. So now onto some OSB board. No problem at all with this. Moving on to some pine. Again, no problem. The gun definitely works better if you use two hands, nice and firm on the flat surface. And plywood the same, no problem at all. And as I say, these are quite big staples, 14mm staples. So now for the brad nails, they go in the same way but just to one side. 14mm brads, and again on all three woods, no problem at all. as long as you've got a nice firm grip on it and apply even pressure, they all go in nice and flush. Okay, so that is about it for this video. So in conclusion then, a nice little tool, well made I think, really easy to use. You can charge it with a USB-C cable, which is really convenient, so you could keep it in a drawer if you've got it in an office or whatever. It's nice and powerful. It fires quite big staples into wood, as you saw earlier. So all in all, I think it's a bargain. If you're out shopping at Aldi, try and pick one of these up if you're looking for a cordless nailer stapler. If you found this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.